Yo, what's up guys, it's Grant bringing you another video, and I apologize for not making a video in a while. I know it's been a long time, but I've been pretty busy, and so today this is just going to be like an update video. I remember I made a video a few weeks ago, maybe like more like a month, about like what I was going to do with all the computers and stuff, just because like the mining situation with those computers wasn't working out, just like I had planned for so long. So yeah, I'd sold most of those cards. Pretty much all of them except for 2 currently, and then with that money I'm not gonna actually buy a new rig, and I'm not gonna buy like a laptop yet, but I eventually still might do that just for travel, especially next year, but that could wait till like after summer. But yeah, we're still mining on here with 1070 and the new i7, so it's getting like 225 a day. But yeah, with that money, I bought another 1070. Just came in the mail today. My room right now is a mess just because I'm also like reorganizing right now. But here's all the stuff I have for sale. Just like computer stuff, or this right here is just like games and other stuff I had for a while. Been waiting to resell, but here's all the computer stuff. Like a ton of fans, CPU coolers. There's like 5 hard drives right here. Just PC case parts, mouse, keyboard, lighting strip. So yeah, if you guys want any of this stuff, I could just like send you the link. It's all on Mercari. But I'm trying to give it away for pretty good prices. Or not give it away, but sell it for pretty good prices. Just so I can get the money quick. But yeah, I have motherboards, 2 sold, and I'm shipping out tomorrow. I don't know where the other one is, but I also. So yeah, this is a mess as well. It's in the process of getting taken down. My roommates is still mining. Shu, how much a day? He doesn't know right now. Price of Bitcoin went up a lot today as well. But yeah, so the idea for today's video is I obviously got the other 1070, so I have to switch. I have to switch power supplies just because that one's like a no brand 550 watt, and here's what I can't figure out. I have an 850 watt in here and a 1000 watt right here. So obviously sell one of those, sell the one that's in the computer now. 1000 watts is extremely overkill, but this is a nice power supply and I got it for a good price. So I'm thinking maybe I just keep this one for the future in case I ever want to get into mining again, and then I won't have to put out like another 150 on a 1000 watt power supply. Or I just use the 850 watt, less overkill, makes more sense, and I can sell this for a lot more. So yeah, I'll think about that when I'm taking down the computer, because I will have to go get that computer, just unplug everything, put it on this table here, and then I'll finally, if I'm not too lazy, I'll finally cable manage tonight, which I've never done with that computer yet. There's just cables hanging out the back, and it's a complete mess. But yeah, I also took down this case. There's nothing in it right now, but I actually sold this to my friend. He's gonna put an Xbox in it. You can see through this obviously, so he'll put this panel on the back, but yeah, he's gonna put an Xbox in it, just because you're not allowed to have like gaming consoles at my school. So I'll probably sell this to another person for the same purpose, because you can just say it's a computer and hide your console in it and then run the wires out the back. But yeah, so I'll get rid of that soon, and then there's just like a bunch of other parts to sell, and then the whole mining thing is over, and my computer back there, this computer right here will finally be complete. I will need to buy an SLI bridge. I think I have like a cheap one, but I don't know if it's the right one. I don't really know how SLI bridges work. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and shut this down, stop mining, get rid of everything, and go ahead and shut it down. And then I have to move a bunch of stuff because like this, as you can see, this monitor is literally on the computer. So yeah, I'll be right back. I realized I haven't cleaned this in a while either, because I took all the monitor off and it's all dusty, as well as the fans, extremely dusty as well. So I'll take those out in the hallway and blow them off. Alright, so took it down, moved it over here, got the panels off. I'm gonna get the dust situation taken care of real quick and then open the other 1070. Alright, so I just spent a lot longer cleaning it than I thought I would, but It's like perfectly clean now. Got the dust out of everywhere. The bottom, power supply, all the cables in the back. Took the can to it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Alright, so it's open. I'm gonna open this strips box. Most of you probably know what this looks like. It's the exact same card. Oh wow, they have all the stuff in here. It's the exact same card. I already have. So they have, yeah, they literally have everything in this thing. Here's the card. Anti-static bag. Looks like they still have little stickers on there. Or am I imagining things? Yeah, they do. Look at that. So satisfying. There you go. Still have the stickers on this thing. This is supposed to be used, which I don't doubt it is. It's probably not used very hard if these things are still on it. Alright, last one. Trash. Time to go dust it. So I figured it might be easier if I'm switching power supplies, or this is pretty obvious, but to undo all the cables first before I install this, switch power supplies, and then install this. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do real quick. Not sure which extensions I'll use, probably these. I don't have other extensions, but the other power supplies, they have all black cables, which will look pretty nice. Or, I mean, I only have one of these for one card, but that would still look pretty cool, so I'll figure that out. But yeah, I'm going to go switch the cables now. Alright, so it's been like 20 minutes, and I was starting to wish I would have just left it how it was, because there's so many more wires than I thought. But then I just started unplugging everything, trying to remember where it goes, and now I'm actually making progress. I got some cord zip tied there, got things running across here. I took one of the SSD trays out. I might move this one over actually, because even if I do get an SSD, it'll probably only be one, so I'll need one, and if I get another I can always just get an adapter and put it here, because there's a bunch of open space here. But yeah, I'm starting to like figure out like where the cables are gonna go and separate them. So these ones all come from the top, these ones will come from the side, and then I found this thing which I just got rid of a long time ago just because cable management, but I'm gonna use this now. So I should be done in about another 20 minutes hopefully. Okay, so it's like an hour later. I don't know if this is good. I don't really care if it's good. I managed to get this thing on, which means the back panel will finally fit. This right here I'll fix up once I get the power supply in, but I kind of have everything going a certain way right here. If you can see that. Here. This I can maybe move, no, not really. And then just all the way up here I just have cables running. So I mean this time there's no like cables just going straight across or like dangling. They're all like tight, as you can see. So, and then I fixed this up here too. So yeah, and I still have like SATA stuff to plug in and a few things to plug in the front and fix up down here. And then I added this thing, this light LED strip, just because I had it. So I'm gonna see if that works, and then I could just have like the back lit up since the cables will look nice. You just have that like a white or something. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go with 850 watts just because there's no point really for the 1000 watt, and I could get more money for that. So I just have this computer now. So I have to take the power supply out of this and move it into here, so that'll take a while, but I'll let you guys know when I'm done. Alright guys, so it's like 2 hours later. I think I'm finally done. I finally got everything installed. I have to talk quiet because my roommate's asleep. But yeah, as you can see, I got pretty much everything in the bottom. I got the new power supply completely installed. And then it's kind of messy underneath. And I had to hold it down so that it doesn't get in the way of the fan. But I'll get another extension cable instead of this, because this won't work forever. So yeah, so it's messy in the front, just down there. But I ran these cables through, everything's plugged in its power supply, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the back panel on. Or I'm gonna try to see if it could go on, just because it finally should now. because I made it flush with all the wires held down. But I'm going to keep that off just in case I put one of the fan things in the wrong hub or something like that. But I have to hook up a monitor, get the power supply on, and start it up and see if everything works. And then I'll put it back together for good and then put it back on my computer. Alright guys, so it's the next day, the next night actually, and I finished like really early in the morning. I couldn't really record because my roommate was sleeping, but yeah, I got everything. I think I recorded some stuff like without sound, and I'll just like put text over it, but yeah, everything's all perfect. The motherboard that I had, I just looked in the box and it actually came with an SLI bridge, which is perfect for this. I ran some games and I get a lot more FPS, just because if you don't know how SLI works, basically the cards take turns rendering frames that communicate with each other. So instead of just one card rendering all the frames, it kind of splits the load and just is smoother. It's really good for mining. Mining right now, almost $4 a day. Earlier today it said $4 a day. But yeah, so everything's working. This temporary solution with the zip ties here is working, holding up the, pulling down the wire so that they don't get caught in the fan. So yeah, this computer is actually pretty much almost done. All I want to do now is get a different cable extender. I'll probably get a white one because I couldn't find a red, white, and blue. So I'll get a white one. And replace that black one and just have the white one wired through, make that look all nice. And then I will get an SSD, which I've been meaning to get for a while, and we'll put that oh, by the way, if you can't see the back panel I managed to get on, all the cables are perfect. But yeah, that'll go right here. I'll buy like an adapter or something to put that there. So yeah, just SSD, that cable right there. And I think that's got to be it. I can't think of anything else. This computer's a beast. So yeah, just missing the SSD, but other than that, pretty much got everything I could ever ask for. And then once I get those two new parts and put them in, I'm gonna take the computer down and make like a showcase or like a cinematic video of it, like in the dark and stuff, which I think would be really cool. So yeah, besides that, this is going to be the final computer update, or the second final. I'll probably make a video when I add the white cable kit and the SSD if I ever get one. But yeah, other stuff is going well, still selling all this stuff. I have like a ton more stuff to list tonight. If I go over here, I have this computer to take down, and then just finally clean up this area. Another power supply over there. And then with that money, like I said, I'm gonna get the gaming laptop so I can actually focus on the channel a lot more, which I wanted to talk about. I'm gonna start like putting other things aside, just so I can start making some videos and stuff. I got rid of the tech part of the channel, just because I thought it was too much, and I could still do tech without it being in the name. But yeah, if you guys have any specific videos, especially games you want to see me play, just comment that. I'll make videos on whatever. I'd like to play some League or some old games I haven't played in a while. League videos always did pretty well, or at least they used to. I could even do like Clash of Clans or any iOS games or something like that. I hopped on Clash the other day, so I'm willing to make videos about that. But yeah, I just want to be more active now since I have like 1,000 subs. But I really don't have like a niche yet for my videos. I know these computer series videos did really well, but I mean that's coming to an end. So I need like new topics to make videos on that all 1,000 subscribers would like. So I'll try to figure that out. And if you guys, like I said, have any suggestions, please just comment those below. But yeah, that's it. Second to last computer update. Thank you for watching. If you watched the whole thing, appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.